Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll show you how to change your status on Slack using your desktop app. Whether you want to update your availability or add a fun message, it's super easy. Let's get started. First of all, open Slack on your desktop and make sure you are logged in. Now, look at the bottom left corner and click on your profile picture. From the drop-down menu, click on Update Your Status. Type in your custom status or choose from the suggested on Slack in a meeting or working remotely. You can also add an emoji to your status to make it more fun. If you want, set a time for when the status should clear automatically. Then click Save to update your status and you are all set. To change your status again, go to the bottom left corner and click on your profile picture. From the drop-down menu, hover your cursor over your current status. A pencil icon will appear. Click on it to change or edit your status. If you want to remove it completely, click Clear Status and you can add a new one using the same process. And that's it. You have successfully changed your Slack status from your desktop. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more quick tech tips. See you in the next one.